In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Discord account. If you've decided that you no longer want to use Discord, you can permanently delete your account directly from the account settings. Before you proceed, it's important to understand that deleting your account is a permanent action. Once the deletion process is completed, you'll lose access to your account and its associated information. For that reason, it's a good idea to make sure you're absolutely certain before continuing. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the official process step by step. To begin, open the Discord application on your computer or mobile device and sign into the account you want to remove. Before you can delete your account, there's one important requirement you need to check. If you're currently the owner of any Discord server, Discord won't allow you to delete your account until that ownership issue is resolved. If you own a server, you'll first need to either transfer ownership to another trusted member or permanently delete the server if you no longer need it. Once you no longer own any servers, you'll be able to continue with the account deletion process without any restrictions. After confirming that you're no longer the owner of any Discord servers, look toward the bottom left corner of the desktop app or access your account settings on mobile and open User Settings. This is where Discord stores all of your personal account preferences and security options. Inside User Settings, select My Account from the menu. This section contains information related to your Discord profile, account management, and security settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you find the Delete Account option. Click Delete Account to begin the final confirmation process. Discord will ask you to verify your identity before allowing the account to be removed. Enter your account password in the verification field exactly as requested. This security step helps prevent unauthorized users from deleting an account without permission. After entering your password, review the confirmation prompt one final time. If you're certain you want to continue, click Delete Account again to confirm your decision. At that point, Discord will begin processing the permanent deletion of your account. Before completing this process, remember that deleting your account is different from simply logging out or temporarily disabling it. Once the deletion is finalized, you won't be able to access the account again, so it's worth taking a moment to make sure there isn't anything you still need before confirming. That's all there is to it. As long as you no longer own any Discord servers, you can access your account settings, verify your identity, and permanently delete your Discord account in just a few steps using Discord's built-in account management options. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.